afternoon. Welcome. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Avantika Singh. We're getting in some breaking news right now. According to sources, almost 500-page draft report of the JPC Waqf Amendment Bill is already ready. And this is the news coming in right now. The updates about the Waqf Amendment Bill, which is likely to dominate the winter session of Parliament. Kalyan Banerjee, in fact, in the meeting, has even thanked the Speaker for assuring to extend the time for the joint parliamentary committees. So draft is nearly 500 pages long. That's the news coming in right now, and it is already ready. But we're hearing that Kalyan Banerjee in that meeting has gone ahead. He has thanked the Speaker for assuring to extend the timeline for the joint parliamentary committee. Aman joins us now for more on this. Aman, over to you. Just tell us a little bit more about this breaking news that has just come in.
Well, Avantika, see, the word from inside Parliament is that the JPC on the Waqf Amendment Bill is set to get an extension. The JPC was to submit its report on this Friday, on the 29th of November, but the opposition MPs met Speaker Om Birla in the morning, and we have Sanjay Singh on record, who's a member of that committee as well as a member of the group who went to meet the Speaker, telling us on record that the Speaker has assured them that the JPC tenure will be extended. Subsequent to that, there was a BSC meeting, Business Advisory Council meeting, where Kalyan Banerjee, the TMC leader, who's also a part of this particular JPC, was there. He has thanked the Speaker for assuring to extend the time of the JPC. So the word we're picking from sources that the JPC is set to get an extension. It now leaves it uncertain if the JPC report will come in this present session of Parliament and all, because what we believe from the opposition members are that they are asking for at least 15 more days extension. So this could be like touch and go, because the session will end on the 20th of December. That said, the JPC draft report is almost ready. We are told it's about 500 pages. It could run into ultimately 600 to 700 pages. And if the final report could also be in various volumes, it could be quite an extensive exercise. The committee has traveled, across the length and the breadth of the country. It has spoken to a record number of representatives as well of various groups. And so, but the opposition is very clear that still a lot of work needs to be done. Why is the government rushing through this particular Waqf amendment, which is a very, very critical legislation? Also, the coalition partners of the BJP, be it the TDP, be it the JDU, or be it the LJP, also want to ensure that every particular step is followed in this particular JPC. Every aspect is listened to. So I think the BJP will not be in such a hurry, though it has listed the bill for the present Parliament, but the JPC is set to get an extension.
Okay, that's interesting, Aman, and one was expecting a fiery session, a fiery winter session, but at least this move perhaps could placate the opposition, with the opposition MPs meeting the Lok Sabha Speaker over the Waqf JPC. Why was it that they were seeking an extension of the JPC on the Waqf Amendment Bill?
Well, they have given a detailed letter and a representation to the Speaker saying that the Waqf bill discussions are being rushed through. Obviously, there are allegations being made by the opposition members against also the chairman of the JPC, Mr. Jagdambika Pal, who is also a BJP MP. So they are saying that, the due process is not being followed. There needs to be more representatives need to be heard. The changes, which are very landmark changes, need to be thought about more closely. So basically they are saying that, though the draft report may be ready, but a clause by clause discussion has to happen. The final report, the draft report also has to be circulated amongst all the members. There's a process to it. And so even we heard Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, yesterday when he was speaking to us, giving that hint of sorts that, maybe the JPC will not be able to complete its work by Friday, and the JPC JPC on Waqf Amendment Bill could get an extension.
Right. Aman, thank you so much. A very important bit of news coming in about how the JPC on the Waqf Amendment Bill could see an extension. This has been a plea from the opposition MPs.